Meta just rolled out a new update that gives you the chance to spy on your competitors legally to find the winning ads. And in this video I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that in less than 7 minutes. I'm right now in Facebook ad library and I just chose instantly as my victim for this video to show you exactly how it works and how you can legally spy on your competitors. So let's say Instantly is my competitor and I'm SmartLead. Now, if you don't know SmartLead or Instantly, they're cold email software that are one of the biggest in Europe and US, and they usually like Pepsi and Coca-Cola, for example. So, Instantly AI. I'm just checking their new ads they rolled about 3-4 days ago on February 18. And usually what you would have to do is just go on Facebook ad library and go to your filters for the longest running ads, choose your media type, if they're active or inactive, apply filter, and then just go ahead and look what's working and what's not working. Now things changed. You can go to sort by and just look for this option, impressions high to low. Now these ads, they have most impressions, which means that these ads are getting the most ad spend in their campaign. Now how do you know that? Well, you know by having the CPM, which is cost per 1,000 impressions. And from this case, we can think that these ads have the most ad spend and following they get the most traffic. What you do next, you have to think that in order for an ad to be successful, it has to run for a couple of days, a couple of weeks, or even potentially a couple of months. What I can see exactly is that these ads have been running for the last 4 days, they have some positive and healthy metrics. I wouldn't go straight to copy what they have, and I don't advise you here to copy what your competitors are doing. I would actually just go ahead and look what is top of a funnel advertising, what is middle, what is bottom, what kind of bottom of a funnel advertising are they using? Do they use testimonial type of ad? Do they use review type of ad? Well, this is important, and this is the purpose of this video. I'm not trying to teach you to go ahead and copy what your competitors are doing. I'm actually trying to teach you how to think as a marketeer. It's a growth marketeer. It is looking to grow the bank account. It's not just looking to have some quick wins. So even if we're looking now over all these ads, all you have to do is just go sort by, go to impressions high to low, and that's when you're gonna see all of the ads that have the most impressions. If you go to most recent, you're gonna see the most recent one. And you can see these don't get the most ad spend, and you can see they don't get the most impressions, but this way you can understand exactly what they're doing, their fundamental thinking behind every ad they have, and what's working and what's not working. So if I go back and just put impressions high to low, I can look over the marketing funnel and decide already what can I ideate from this and just use to pass along to my marketing team, to my advertising team. For example, if I want to create an ad that's middle of a funnel, it's retargeting, for example, I would look over exactly what we're doing, how we're doing it, and what can ideate that I can pass along to my advertising team. And this way, ladies and gentlemen who love advertising, is exactly how I would go ahead and spy legally on my competitors. Now, I have to give a disclaimer again, you have to think for yourself. Don't go straight to conclusion that this ad, just because it has the most impressions, is working. This ad has enough impressions for them to make an idea, but maybe their backend is different from yours. Now, if you don't know what's a backend and front-end optimization, go ahead and watch this video. So, if you watch it, come back here and just think about it. What's your backend and with your front-end optimization processes? And what's yours? And from there, just try to reverse engineer everything you're trying to do right here. This is personally what I would do, and this is what I would do for my clients if I would look into creating new ad concepts, and I would have someone new who I've never worked with, and I'm just interested to see what their competitors are doing. So thank you for watching. I hope you found it useful. Now, if you'd like to learn more about Facebook advertising for SaaS companies, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Also like this video to get more videos from me, as YouTube is going to push them. And if you'd like to work with me and my team one-on-one, well, go ahead and check the link below and let's have a talk and see if what we're doing is worth your time and your business. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.